Do you have a YouTube channel or want to start, but also don't want to show your face? Imagine making full review videos and bonus pages in just a few minutes. Let me show you how to make it happen. Hi guys, welcome back to Stacks Review. In this video, we are looking at a new tool called ReviewSuite360. You are going to learn how to use AI to build faceless review videos. We will cover the features, the good parts, and the honest truth. At the end of the video, you will know if this can help your business grow or not. First, let's talk about struggle for a moment. If you want to start a YouTube business but you are afraid to show your face, or you don't want to show your face, or maybe you just don't have the time to edit videos for you. You see others making money with reviews, but it feels too hard for you. Writing scripts, making voiceovers, and building bonus pages takes all day. It is actually frustrating when you want to succeed, but the work is too much. But what if you could change that today? This is where ReviewSuite360 comes in to help you. It is the first AI app that builds your entire review system for you. It creates your faceless video, your voiceover, and even your bonus page. You don't need to be a tech expert. You can do everything right from your phone. It is designed to take the heavy work off your shoulders. Now you can focus on picking products and making sales. Now let's talk about the features of this product. Let's look at the first big feature. This tool creates faceless review videos for you. This is great if you don't want to show your face. You just give it a product link and the AI does the rest. It writes the script and finds the images. This means you can start a channel today without buying a camera. Now look at this part. It also builds your bonus pages. If you are an affiliate, you know that bonuses make people buy. Usually building these pages is a pain, but here it happens in minutes. This helps you look like a pro and gives you a better chance to earn. Here is another cool part for you. The app works on your phone and your laptop. Have you ever wanted to work while waiting for a coffee? Now you can. You can manage your whole YouTube business while you are on the go. It gives you a freedom to work whenever you want. Let's check out the voiceover feature. You don't need to record your own voice. The AI provides clear voices that sounds natural. This is perfect if you don't like how you sound or if English is not your first language. It makes your videos sound professional every single time. Now this tool is powerful, but there is one thing you might struggle with. You might find it hard to get people to actually click your link. To help you fix this, I have created a special bonuses just for you. These bonuses are designed to help you get more traffic and more sales. Let's take a look at what I have got for you. First, I have a special fast action bonus for the first 50 people who act now. It is the first 50 guaranteed approval blueprint. This shows you how to get your affiliate links approved by the vendor instantly, so you can start on day one. Next bonus is the ReviewSuite360 launch day checklist. This ensures you never miss a step when setting up your campaign for maximum profit. The next bonus is 2026 Gold Rush launch calendar. This saves you hours of work by showing you exactly which product launches will pay you the most money. I am also giving you the YouTube rank mini guide. This teaches you how to push your videos to the top of search result before your competitors. You also get the $1,000 single launch case study. You can see behind the scenes of a real campaign and copy my exact steps to succeed. To help you close sales, I have included the buyer frenzy email sweep pack. These emails drive your leads directly to your bonus pages to close sales on autopilot. Finally, you get the YouTube Shorts traffic guide. This shows you how to use your Shorts videos to explode your view counts and your commission. This total bonus package is worth $699, but you get all of it for free when you buy through this page. Remember, the fast action bonus is only for the first 50 buyers, so you need to move fast. And it is very simple to get these. Just click the link in the description and buy through my link. Let's take a look at how ReviewSuite360 actually works. I want to show you the full process from start to finish. You will see how this tool builds your business for you. First, you start by entering the name of the project. In this example, we are using the product ReviewSuite360 itself. Now you need two links, the sales page URL and the JV page URL. You can grab these directly from a launch calendar like Manchai. Once you paste those in, you add your own affiliate link. This is important because this link will show up inside your videos so you can get paid. Next, you can choose specific tags for the product or just click Analyze and Generate. The AI then begins to study both pages for you. It looks at the price, the promises, and the key features of the software. Now it's time to create your bonuses. You can select how many bonuses you want to give away. For example, 5. You can even use the AI to generate a professional ebook cover for each one. You just pick the format, the box style, and the colors you like. For the content of the bonus, the AI writes an entire outline and chapters for you. You can edit any of these chapters if you want to. You can also change the design, the fonts, and even add your own branding and logo. This makes the bonus looks like it was made just by you. Once your bonuses are ready, you can customize your bonus page. You can move section around, change the headline, or add a countdown timer to create urgency. All the buttons on this page are already linked to your affiliate ID. Finally, you can see the finished result. You have a full review video ready to go and a professional bonus page filled with details about the software, the pricing, and your custom bonuses. Everything is connected and ready for your first customer. That's it. So you have seen how you can go from a simple link to a full marketing campaign in minutes. It builds the video, the bonus content, and the sales page all at once. This looks very useful for you if you want to scale your affiliate business quickly. If you want to see all the details, I have put the link in the description for you. Go check it out now. Now let's talk about some pros and cons of this product. First, the pros for you. It is very easy to use. It saves you so much time on editing and writing. If you are just starting, you will find it very friendly. But there are some cons you should know. You still need to learn how to pick good products. You have to be consistent because results take time. It is a tool to help you, not a magic button. So here is my final verdict for you. If you want to scale your YouTube review fast, you should buy this. It is perfect for you if you want a faceless business. However, if you enjoy spending hours editing every details yourself, you might not need it. But for most of you, the time saved is worth it. My advice, give it a try if you want to work smarter, not harder. If you are ready to start, click the link in the description. I have also pinned it in the first comment for you. Go check the current price and the special discount. Don't forget, all my bonuses are included if you use my link. Thanks for watching Stacks Review, and I will see you in the next video.